Home Remedies presents.
In just 3 days, your liver will be crystal clear. My grandmother's recipe surprised everyone. Tomato juice is all you need to cleanse your body, as it is full of antioxidants which help in washing away those free radicals that can make you feel like a sloth. Tomato have a vital role in detoxification process. Tomato is good for liver health. Tomato has detoxification effect in the body. The presence of chlorine and sulfur in tomato juice keep the liver and kidneys healthy and free from toxins, and it helps in preventing kidney stones, which are very painful. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer agent which helps in effectively reducing fatty liver disease, inflammation and liver cancer development. Onions have sulfur-containing amino acids which aid in detoxing your liver. The remedy is so simple to make, with ingredients always available in everyone's kitchen. Let's see how. Ingredients: 2 red onions, 2 tomatoes. Procedure: peel the onions and put them in a saucepan. Cover with water and boil them for 20 minutes on medium heat. Take tomatoes and chop them in cubes. Add them in blender and grind. After 20 minutes, strain the remaining water of the onions in the blender with tomato paste. Blend thoroughly and sieve the mixture to glass. Drink a glass a day.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.